coming?
He's thinking about it.
A little tired. Let your bike do the work.
It's not going to be very much easier on the other side for Randy either. That's still pretty steep.
Yeah, that's across the bigger bridge? That was not bad.
It's pretty steep though.
The rock at the top is the steep part. The climb, the diagonally climbing and then turning and going up that rock, that's the fucking hard part.
No momentum.
I only worry that Julie and April will get mad for us
Whipping it up?
tearing it up so bad.
Yeah.
Well, should we go down and go the other way?
Yeah,
Well,
we
we'd have to
could.
climb back up that side though. Which is
That's not so bad. It's kind of camber. It's a slow climb, but
it's a
still going to be miserable.
Clutch work. Clutch work. He's not getting any traction though. Is he getting on the pegs? Yep. He's on the pegs. He's just not getting any traction. What do you want to do? You want to go back, go the way Randy went, and we'll meet you over there? Huh?
I'm gonna have to.
Yeah.
You want to
I
go
worry
down
that
and back
April
up?
and Julie will get mad if we tear it up too much. We can meet you over there, or we can go down. That's
I'm
fine.
interested in going down. I'll go.
I'm interested in watching.
I'll try it.
But yeah, I don't think I want to cross the bridge. I'll fucking cross the water first.
Here comes Randy.
Turn around, John. Go back up. I'm gonna watch the make sure you guys get up the other side before I commit to going down. 'Cause I got up this once, but maybe it's a lot worse now. 'Cause it's tore up.
You chewed it up, and then I chewed it up, and now he chewed it up.
That's not a bad way to
So
do
much
it.
smarter.
Yeah.
Alright, now I don't feel bad. Let's
He's
go.
going to come up the way you came up. He couldn't get up here.
You want to go meet him on the other side?
Yeah, we're going to meet up.
I think you can. was like a path up, so he's trying to take
Go
it.
back and see him at the top.
Yeah.
Let's go do that. We'll get there, but he's going to get there before us. And
Oh,
he
yeah.
does not know we're over here.
Oh, he knows I'm here. He's seen me. We killed John.
You a little exhausted? I was thinking, oh, that's a smart move. He's coming down the creek. Because Chris and I did that, like, I don't know, one of our rides. And we turned around and we went back up that fucking hill and took the bridge. And I'm like, oh, I'm taking
Randy,
the creek.
where did you go up? I didn't see your track.
He didn't come down.
I went around. You went back?
Yeah, Randy
I went
didn't
over.
come down. He turned around.
I
at
turned
the
around
top-
and rode back up.
at the top.
Yeah. I just watched you and Joe really struggle and thought,
I only struggled because I was hung up on a log, and then I was like, okay, I can smell wood burning. I'm obviously not going to get going. So I like pushed myself ahead, and then I'm like, okay, I get up on the pegs, rev it, the fucking bike shifted into neutral, and I went back on that log.
fucking hands spinning. The clutch finger is gone.
Gone. Toast.
So, but there is a trail there.
He made it.
That is the trail.
Oh, I thought you made that.
No, it is the trail.
Huh?
It is indeed.
Was it slippery? It must have been. You were pushing the bike.
It wasn't bad. If I had any skill, I could do it.
It started to wash on him, and then he unweighted the peg, and then it was about keeping the peg weighted. And
that
didn't
hill,
unweight the peg.
I was going up just fine, and
Front
then
end
it
started
washed.
to lift.
And
oh, the front end came up on you.
Yeah.
Well, then you had traction.
I was trying to get the back end planted, and then the front end came up,
oh, yeah.
and then I was like,
Trying to
"Off
get the front end
power!
down.
Off the power! And that was it.
Yeah.
What the hell's going on here? I must have leaned into the... Is it swearing at you?
Still having fun.
My bike was talking to me. They were saying go around.
Go around. The Crashosaki was saying, don't do it. Don't do it. My fenders will fall off.
That is my last stock fender. It's been repaired 3 or 4 times, but it's the last one that's in one piece.
You should just make one fender out of all the pieces. It'll be like that thick and it'll never
Like a two-wheel fender.
Nick says to me,
big bolts through it.
Nick says to me, I can print you I can 3D print you a fender that's much more flexible. I've got some stuff.
Yeah, the TPU. Problem with the TPU is I used it on my E-Pure and then the fender was just a little too floppy.
Okay.
So there's a bunch of different grades of the TPU plastic. So I would like Nick would have to find the grade that like has some flex but not too much flex. Just basically like every motorcycle fender.
Gonna have to experiment.
Find out what plastic Beta's using on their new style bikes, the ones they roll up like a fruit roll up.
Yeah.
I saw that. I like that.
Yeah, find out what plastic that is. That's what you need to print your fenders with. All plastics, actually.
Yeah, I should give that back. I don't think they're gonna be happy taking it with you.
I was like thinking, oh, maybe they're not going to be happy with us digging big ruts. So
Oh my god.
Yeah, I think we should avoid that.
I did see the one small puddle that you decided to go around. But all the other ones you guys went through.
oh, if they're shallow, yeah. But if there was one, it would look like a little lake. Yeah, we
Yeah.
went around it.
We already been through those like 3 times already.
Yeah.
So we know if they're deep or not.
John he rode through the creek from all the way
Yeah,
over there.
it was
to here.
easier. It was actually easier to ride through the creek.
Easier than portaging the bike.
Yeah, and then I saw the little dots. I'm like, oh, there's actually a trail here.
I should have worn my heated socks.
Yeah, don't have mine on. I haven't even opened the box yet. I was like, my feet have never been cold, but they're cold today.
Like, well, my feet are cold. It's warmer in Kingston. Much
Yes,
warmer
I
than
know.
here.
I looked at the weather and I was like, oh, goody. And then I look at Westport. I'm like, fuck.
Fuck is right.
But you know what? I'm actually comfortable. I mean, my feet are a little cold.
Yeah.
But
I'm not cold.
yeah, you're working up a good sweat. If you're gonna carry your bike up and down, yeah, you
Yeah,
won't
I've
get cold.
discovered 390 is not easy to push up a hill.
No.
240, 250.
260, I think,
That 500 is 234
without fuel.
without fuel. It's got a 900 fuel tank on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that one. That looks really good. That makes me feel good. That I might get some of this thing on this other bike, a big boy bike. No one's gonna buy those. I have
No, I
idea.
mean it's a good starter bike, not
Yeah.
that, you know. And then yeah, same with John. You know, he had the Honda, and then
So you still got your Honda in your shoe store, right?
he sold the Honda.
Oh,
Traded it in, I mean.
okay, well.
That's why, yeah, if you want to get rid of that and upgrade, talk to Woody. He's pretty reasonable for the trade-in.
Okay.
He loves to move his bikes through. Yeah, but you got a brand new cross trainer for 10 grand, minus whatever your bike's worth.
I've got two.
Yeah, and I personally I like the size of it. The fact that I still managed to like put my foot in a hole and fall over is my own idiocy.
Yeah, but that was like this.
I know, but I did it like twice today. I like stop. I go, whoa! Like, why do I keep fucking parking over a hole? But other than that, yeah. I mean, and funny, I've been riding it all the time in second gear, and I like using the clutch and stuff. I just rode it for a bit in first gear, and I was like, wow, it's so much easier. It's just like tractors. I don't. It's like less clutch work, but I do like the clutch work. Plus, when we get in an open trail, I like to wind it up and have a little more top speed. But I'm lazy. I don't want to shift.
I've been going first, second, all the way through here.
I never changed gears.
Been second the whole way? First, second.
First gear is like 10 kilometers an hour.
Yeah, this is a beast.
But you notice the difference with the smaller sprocket?
Yeah.